What's up, guys? We're doing Flappy Bird, and he's gonna fly into the distance until he dies. Flappy Bird will fly, he will never die. Flappy Bird, does whatever a spider can. Flappy Bird, does whatever a bluebird can. Cause it's Flappy Bluebird. I'm putting effort, guys. Don't judge. When you try your best, but you don't succeed. Don't ever try your best, guys. You won't succeed in life if you try your best. As you guys remember, I am Brian. I've been improving in my videos, and I will be playing Roblox. Flappy Bird. He got this, you see it in his eyes? It's Illuminati in his eyes. Well, guess what? That's why he's gonna make it to the end. Going to the North Pole, gonna see Santa Claus. He's gonna die, he's gonna freeze to death before he sees Santa Claus, but hey, he got a dream. Let Flappies follow their dream. And if he wants to die, let him die. It's his dream. It's his dream, people, if Flappy wants to die. So, I almost died. You got this, Flappy. Go, 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 Flappy. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. Flappy. Estoy comiendo algo.
¿Qué hace?